3 Jaguars, 1 week, same problem on every single one. Most Jaguar owners don't realise their car was never set up to handle the way it should. Let's fix that.
Lots of our Wraptor handling packages to install this week. This one we're going to do in a day. Let's get on with it. This is how this one looks as presented. At the moment it's completely standard, and you can see it's actually quite high up off the ground. We've got a fairly large wheel arch gap, and the wheels are quite inboard. They need to come out that little bit more. So we have our front suspension banana arms polybush set. A great upgrade if your bushes are becoming a bit perished or weeping oil. We have our Wraptor uprated rear lower galvanized bracing. We have proper TUV approved quality hub-centric wheel spacers, and we usually have our suspension spring height correction cups. However, on this occasion the customer has opted for performance XFR 15 to 20mm lowering springs. The handling as these cars come from factory is kind of okay, I guess, but it's a bit wallowy and it doesn't really match the caliber of the rest of the car, such as that supercharged engine that you can get, and the factory stance doesn't really match the good looks of the rest of the car either. So ultimately the handling and the stance of these cars needs to be improved to create an all-round really nice package, and that's exactly what the Wraptor Handling Package does. Once all complete, we carry out a custom wheel alignment, and that's the handling package finished on this one. Now look at the stance before and after. There's no ride compromise with this kit. It improves handling, i.e. flatter, more controllable cornering, giving you more confidence. Now it's on to the next car, because we got loads to do this week. What you're left with is an awesome all-round package with no ride quality compromise, but improved cornering, braking and acceleration. And now look at that gorgeous stance that matches the Jaguar silhouette. If you'd like these individual parts or to purchase them as a package, they are available on our online shop, link in description. Alternatively, you can buy the components individually. We do list them individually on the shop as well if you like. We ship globally, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world, we can send these bits to you. Or of course, if you'd like it installed in our workshop in the UK, feel free to get in touch. info@wraptorcustoms.com. The Wraptor Races is back! In store we have show car parking where you can show off your pride and joy, a live arena where we will be interviewing some lucky owners talking about their car, watch the live drag racing, or you can even buy a driver's ticket and join in with the drag racing yourself. We'll also be offering remaps on the day at our special show price of just £200 plus VAT. And this time we are taking it up a notch because we are at the legendary Santa Pod. That's Monday the 15th of June 2026, so grab yourself a ticket while they're still available.